An exit device function is used to describe how an exit device operates from the outside. The outside hardware is often referred to as the trim or outside trim. So, the terms function and trim are often used interchangeably in the context of exit hardware. Keep in mind the inside operation of an exit device is universal in that an exit device always lets people exit. Exit devices are never locked from the inside. Manufacturers such as von Duprin use abbreviations to designate the outside function. Let's look at 5 common functions and where you are likely to see them used. By the way, there are more functions and variations of these functions available from von Duprin. Start with these 5 and you'll be well on your way. But first, to understand 2 of the most common functions, do you know what dogging is? A feature available on many exit devices, dogging is a means of holding the latch bolt in a retracted position or of momentarily retracting the latch bolt. The dogging feature is commonly used in conjunction with outside trim in many installations. Okay, now on to the outside trim or function. Let's start with NL or night latch. The standard NL trim consists of a pull and key cylinder. The key momentarily retracts the latch bolt of the exit device to unlock the door to pull it open. Once the key is removed from the trim, the outside trim returns to its locked position. The NL function is typically used on exterior doors. For example, school entrances may be kept unlocked at certain times in the school day. Authorized staff can use the key to get in the exterior door, then can use the dogging feature of the exit device to make the doors push or pull. When the time comes to relock the doors, the staff can simply undog the devices. When an installation has a bank of doors, one needs only to put the NL trim on one of the openings. That leads to another popular outside trim, a DT or dummy trim. This trim only has a pull. It has no moving parts, not even a key cylinder. A DT trim is only functional when the exit device is dogged in a push-pull operation. So, DT trims are also popular on exterior doors, especially where there is a bank of doors. One door will typically have an NL trim and the other doors will have DT trims. Another common exterior trim is the EO trim. EO is exit only and can mean one of 2 things. There is no outside hardware at all, so the exit device is an emergency exit only. Think of the emergency exit at a movie theater. EO can also refer to a simple blank plate with no pull or cylinder. This isn't very common, but sometimes one needs a blank plate to cover a cutout. Now, let's talk about our most popular trim for interior openings, the lever or L trim. The standard L trim has a lever on an escutcheon plate with a key cylinder. The key locks or unlocks the lever, leaving it in either the locked or unlocked state. If unlocked, one turns the lever to retract the latch bolt. L trims are popular on interior openings because many interior doors are fire-rated, and fire-rated opening require positive latching. There is one variation of the L trim that is worth noting, the LBE, or lever with blank escutcheon. This trim has an operational lever, but no key cylinder, so the door is never locked. The lever can always be turned to retract the latch bolt. This is popular on interior doors too. For example, you'll find them on stairwell doors that are never locked. Those are the 5 von Duprin functions you are most likely to encounter. Von Duprin offers other functions and variations so that openings operate well for a building's occupants and owners. Look for more videos.